Welcome to the first family road trip. We got Joni. We got the rascal. And Dino is just in the washroom at the on-road here. I haven't filmed anything up to this point because it was pretty hectic. I'll show you the trunk in a minute, but I don't think we could fit anything else. We're actually borrowing my mother-in-law's car because our car is too small. Guess where we're going? Stopped here for a quick feed. Okay. Good girl, Genty. Alright, everyone's peed and pooed. Time to hit the drive-thru.
Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a iced cold brew with oat milk?
Yeah.
And then one pup cup?
One pup cup for sure.
And that's all. Hi there.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Thank you.
Oh.
Credit?
Oh, look at her. Okay.
Joni, what's this? Thank you so much.
That's south.
And stop number 2, second en route. We brought our own sandwiches because the plant-based options at these spots are pretty trash. We got a BLP, bacon lettuce pickle. BLP, bacon lettuce pickle. Tofu bacon, iceberg lettuce, pickles. Bon appetit.
Yum yum. Yum yum yum.
Same stop. Pee break. We've resorted to Miss Rachel.
Look at his face. He's never seen something so amazing.
What's that, Gooberson? Joni, what's this? Oh. We made it to Montreal. Check out how sick this room is. This is like where the VIP business execs stay. First of all, I'll show you this. Right in the heart of it, where the boys play. Little kitchenette over here. Little boardroom to take some boardroom meetings. We got this sick living room. We decided to stay here because dogs are allowed. And we have our little ensuite room here. A micro TV, dog bed, water bowl, second bathroom. It's pretty legit, eh, Jones? It's pretty legit. So we've been trying to leave for the pool for about an hour, but little rascal keeps pooping his pants. Ready for his first dip? Ready for your first dip, buddy?